Ready to make sure your Homescom profile perfectly reflects your brand? Let's dive right into how to quickly and easily update your office name on Homescom. First, head over to Homescom and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will need to find your account settings usually. This is located in the upper right corner of the screen, often indicated by your profile picture or a settings icon. From the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Profile or something similar like Edit Profile. This is where you'll manage your personal and professional details. Click on it to proceed. Now, you should see a field labeled Office Name or something along those lines. This is where the magic happens. Carefully delete the existing office name and type in the correct, updated name for your real estate office. After you've entered the new office name, scroll down and locate the Save Changes or Update Profile button. Click this to confirm and save your changes. Double-check your profile to ensure the new office name is displaying correctly. This ensures all your listings and marketing materials now reflect your accurate branding. Congratulations! You've successfully updated your office name on Homescom, maintaining a professional and trustworthy image for potential clients.